Good morning to one and all. Myself Monisha and my topic is about transportation problem. Under transportation problem there are two types. One is balanced transportation problem and another one is unbalanced transportation problem. Balanced transportation problem means where the total supply equals to total demand, and unbalanced transportation problem means where the total supply is not equals to total demand. And there are three methods of transportation problem. One is northwest corner method and lowest cost method and Vogel's approximation method. And we are moving to northwest corner method. Definition of northwest corner method. The northwest corner rule is a technique for calculating an initial feasible solution or a transportation problem. In this method, we must select basic variables from the upper left cell, that means from northwest corner cell. And how it works. It starts from upper left hand, that means northwest corner of the table, and we should assign the minimum value and strike the minimum value row or column. And we should move down to the right side depending on the supply and demand until you reach the southeast corner. And small example problem. In this problem we should first select the cell, that is northwest cell. Here the northwest cell is 19. In northwest cell we should assign the minimum value of supply and demand. In this minimum value is 5. So we should assign 5 as minimum value, and we should minus the demand minus supply. That means 5 minus 7 is equals to 2. And later we should scratch out the demand one column. And next we should move to second cost, that is 30. Here the minimum value is 2. We should minus demand and supply. Here 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. Then we should strike out the supply one row. Like this we should continue till we reach the southeast corner. After that we should calculate the total cost. That means we should calculate all the allocated cells. That means here the allocated cells are 19, 30, 30, 40, 70 and 20. We should calculate as 19 into 5, 30 into 2, 30 into 6, 40 into 3, 70 into 4 plus 20 into 14. So here the total cost is 1015. And next we are moving to, and here one more thing are, before starting the problem we should see that the total that the supply and demand is equal or not. If the supply and demand is not equal, we should add the dummy column. Here in this problem this is supply and demand are equal, so we can continue the problem. And next we are moving to least cost method. Under least cost method, select the cell having lowest unit cost in the entire table and allocate the minimum of supply or demand value in the cell. And second step is then eliminate the row or column in which supply or demand is executed. If both the supply and demand value are same, then we can strike both the row and column. And step 3 is repeat the process with next lowest unit cost and continue until the entire available supply at various sources and demand at various destination is satisfied. And here is a small example problem. In this the least cost is 8. in this we should write the minimum value. Here the minimum value is 8, and here if we minus demand and supply, 8 minus 18 is equals to 10. So we should strike out the demand to column, and next minimum value in this table is 10. Here we should supply demand. Here we should minus the demand and supply, so that 7 minus 14 is equals to 7. So we should strike out the supply one row. Like this we should continue this problem till we reach the optimal solution as 0. And then we should find out the total cost, that is we should find out by using all the allocated cells. Here the allocated cells are 8 into 8, 10 into 7, 20 into 7, 40 into 7, 70 into 7. By this we should add. How means 8 into 8 plus 10 into 7 plus 20 into 7 plus 40 into 7 plus 70 into 2 plus 40 into 3 is equals to total cost is 814. Thank you.